Hi guys, welcome back to another episode on Retro Garage. Today I've decided that we are going to be busy with Mercedes, which we're gonna have to get by the river port. We're gonna be doing in the game it's called an MB-124. So I think I'm a little bit short on funds. I've got a Mercedes-Benz 124 sedan for 12,200, one for 13,000, and one for 11,800. So let's look at the one for 11,800. It produces 109 horsepower. Mileage on it is 51,082. It's got an M102 engine, and all of us know by now that it's an MB-124 sedan. So, what I'm gonna do, if you guys remember this car, in the previous video that I've uploaded, the bad video quality, I did this car. We did the body and chassis and could not complete the engine. So during my free time, I ended up getting an engine and I put it in. Bought a new engine and I put it in. The wagon, in the first video, I sold it. So this is a new car. It's just been made and sounds quite good. So I thought about it and we are going to have to sell it due to being short on funds. So let us sell it and buy the MB-124. Okay, we sold it and we got 18,503. So now one thing that I'm worried about is that the car is in quite bad shape. So the engine is good. It's new, I guess. So we're gonna have to work on the body and chassis. This is gonna be a long video because the parts on this car are like really rare. As you can see in the museum, these cars are only imported, and I guess you could also buy them from the dealership, if I'm not mistaken. Here it is. So let us check. Yeah, you can buy from the dealership or the river port. It comes in with the M119. Can people please? I checked the cars in the museum and none of them have a M119. So okay, it's gonna run with its original engine. So this here is the museum's Mercedes-Benz. I mean MB-124. I'm just used to calling it Mercedes. See, there's the engine there. Yeah, there's the engine. So yeah, so let's get to it. We're ordering the car and let's get busy. Okay, well, it'll be here in 3 days. So meanwhile, we'll just be skipping days and waiting for the car to arrive. So let's get to it. Okay, everybody, it's the third day. Let's go and pick up the car from the river port. Oh, these two have been sold. So all three have been sold. Okay, here's our MB-124. Let's see what we can fix and cannot fix. So guys, let me just play a tune while I strip the car. look like a fender. Okay guys, as we can see, few problems by the chassis, but the body has got quite a lot of problems. So guys, I'm asking you guys, please can you please leave a like and subscribe? I know that my first two videos were not good. I admit that they are quite embarrassing and very bad quality due to the screen recording app that I'm using. I don't have the right equipment yet. I'm still saving for it. I'm a grade 8 learner, so you see, I'm still saving for it. So now I'm using a screen recording app. So the quality wasn't good. So I got another recording app which was recommended by my friend, and I set everything. So here we are with our car. So I was just asking guys, please can you leave a like and subscribe? It really helps my new channel. This is my third video. So guys, please leave a like and subscribe. If not, you can either leave a like or subscribe. Please, please guys, please. Okay, let's get back to the car. Okay guys, these are the parts that I was able to fix. None of them broke while I was fixing them, but we need a boot. We need the boot. We need a front right door, rear left door, a trunk, and a front left fender. So I'll have to order another car and salvage the parts from there because I don't have a lot of old coins or whatever you can call them to buy. Oh, rare spare parts out of stock. Okay, rare spare parts out of stock, and I didn't even bother myself checking the parts catalog because they're obviously gonna tell me. Oh, this parts. Wow, I did not know. Okay, let's get fixing that. Last time that I played this game, there was no parts for it. As I was saying in the last time, in the old version of the game, you couldn't get parts for these cars at all. They were like extremely rare. But now I see that that's very good. I'm still in the past, guys. I played this game from the time I was in grade 6. Now I'm in grade 8. And they did a lot of improvement to the game. I don't really like the color of the car. I'm thinking that put a new color on it. I bought all the windows. So let's just that time in Retro Garage, the only thing that they sell for you in the body was the windows. The chassis was the brakes and the springs and the battery. That's all. The engine, air filter, oil filter, and the belts. The serpentine belts and all that stuff. So let us paint it. I'm thinking black. If not black, we'll try a shade of maroon. But let's get there. Let's try and dim the brightness, transparency. Let's see what happens here. Where are we? Okay, this is a bit light. Okay, that's what I'm talking. We have painted our Mercedes-Benz. Now we're moving on to the chassis because the engine is 100% perfect. If I'm not mistaken, let's move that. And also that. Yeah, the engine is perfect. Engine sounds great, by the way. So now let's get on to the chassis. We have to get brakes, front and back. Brakes, survey, radiator, springs, and battery. Yeah, so guys, I'm really asking you guys, please subscribe to my channel. My channel a lot, guys, please. So let us put in the front left wheel. Oops, forgot to fix that. Let's put that in. Oh, end of the day. Okay, guys. At the end of the day, we'll continue the job tomorrow. So anyway, see ya. Okay, guys, we're back and we are going to continue our job. So we resume. We stopped there. So let's get ready. Bed. Front. That is. Now we need all this stuff. I think I bought. Yeah, I bought the real springs. We need that. And oh, we did put real bricks. Oops. I'm just thinking about the first two videos that I posted. They were not good at all. So I'm just hoping that this one comes out better than the others. Oh, enough talking. Here we are. Mercedes-Benz complete. Ready to drive. Okay, guys. As usual, I usually take the car to the garage so that I can open everything for you guys so that you can see it. So let us take it there. Okay, guys. Let us start the engine so that you can listen to it. There we are. So everybody, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please, guys, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, guys. Please, thank you for watching. The people who will watch, and it was fun working on an MB-124. In other words, Mercedes-Benz. So thank you, guys. Bye.